What is the average electrician salary in Nepal? The average salary of an electrician in Nepal is $1,250 a year. After tax, this electrician income drops to $1,120, which means your monthly take-home pay is roughly $93. While this is the national average electrician pay, earnings in big cities are higher. So an electrician in Kathmandu brings home $1,320 after tax. Pay is usually lower outside Kathmandu, but living costs there are cheaper too. Your initial electrician wages start well below this level, though gaining hands-on skills quickly pushes your pay up before it eventually levels off without a promotion. A university degree is not required for this trade, but getting higher education helps you move up into advanced roles like electrical engineer or project supervisor. Finally, small local shops pay the least, whereas large national companies offer better pay, and international firms pay the highest wages of all.